Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Expressvpn account on the website. This is necessary because cancellations are handled in the account dashboard. Once signed in, make sure you're on the My Account or Subscriptions page. Those sections contain billing and plan details. If you used a third-party store like Apple or Google, pause here and open that store instead. Otherwise, proceed. You're doing this to stop recurring charges and avoid prorated confusion, so confirm you're in the right account before moving on. Once on the billing page, locate the active subscription entry and click Manage Subscription or the equivalent link. That reveals cancellation options and the next renewal date. You'll see choices like Turn off Auto-Renew, Cancel Now, or Contact Support. Choose Cancel Auto-Renew if you want to retain service until the period ends, or cancel immediately if you need service stop now. Make sure you read any confirmation text about refunds or prorations so you understand what happens after cancellation. You finish by confirming the cancellation and saving or screenshotting any confirmation ID or receipt. That's your proof if billing errors occur. Once confirmed, check your email for the cancellation notice and verify that Auto-Renew is marked off in your account settings. If you don't receive confirmation or charges persist, contact Expressvpn support with your ID. Use live chat for faster response. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try an incognito window if the dashboard won't reflect changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.